Welcome to this video tutorial on setting up a Java 3D game development environment. In this video, we will guide you step by step through all the necessary tools and configurations you'll need to start your journey into 3D game development with Java. Before we dive in, let's talk about what we'll cover today. We'll be exploring the following key topics: the necessary software, setting up a Java IDE, installing libraries for 3D graphics, and finally, creating a simple project to confirm everything is working correctly. First, let's ensure you have Java installed on your computer. Java Development Kit, or JDK, is the foundation for any Java development work, including game development. You can download the latest version of the JDK from the official Oracle website. Just search for Java JDK Download, and you'll find the links. Make sure to choose the version suitable for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once downloaded, follow the installation instructions. The installer will guide you through the process. If you're on Windows, make sure to add the JDK to your system's path variable during installation for easier command line access later on. To verify that Java is installed correctly, open your command prompt and type in Java version. You should see the version of Java you just installed. If you don't see any errors and can view the version number, you're ready to move on. Next up, we need an integrated development environment, or IDE, to write our Java code efficiently. Popular choices include IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, and NetBeans. In this tutorial, we will be using IntelliJ IDEA, as it's widely regarded for its ease of use. To download IntelliJ IDEA, go to the JetBrains website and navigate to the download section. You'll see an option for the Community Edition, which is free and perfect for our needs. After downloading, run the installer and follow the prompts to install IntelliJ IDEA. Once installed, we can configure it to work with Java. Open IntelliJ IDEA and select New Project. Choose Java, and make sure that the SDK is set to the version of the JDK that you just installed. Click Next. Enter a project name, and select the location on your file system where you want to save it. Then click Finish. Your new project will be set up, and you can see the project structure in the IDE. Now, we need to install a library that will help us create 3D graphics. There are several libraries available, but for beginners, we're going to use JavaFX with JMonkey Engine, a powerful game engine for Java that simplifies the development of 3D games. You can download JMonkey Engine from its official website. Look for the SDK download link. Once downloaded, install it by following the provided instructions. Now, let's integrate JMonkey Engine with our IntelliJ project. First, we need to set up our project with the necessary JR files from JMonkey Engine. Back in IntelliJ, right-click on your project and select Open Module Settings. Click on the Libraries tab and then click the plus icon to add a new library. You will need to add the JR files from the JMonkey Engine SDK. Navigate to the SDK installation path, then to the lib folder, and select all the required JR files. Add them to your project. After adding the JR files, make sure to check if they are listed under the project structure settings. This ensures IntelliJ recognizes the libraries. Now that we have everything set up, let's create a very simple Java class to ensure that our environment is prepared correctly. Right-click on SRC in your project, go to New Java class, and name it main. In this class, we write a simple main method which prints a message to the console. Let's run this to confirm that everything works. Click the green Run arrow or right-click the file and select Run. If you see Hello, Java 3D Game Development printed in the console, congratulations! You have successfully set up your Java 3D game development environment. Now, before we finish up, let's do a quick overview of what we learned. We installed the JDK, set up IntelliJ IDEA, integrated JMonkey Engine, and created a simple Java program to ensure our setup was correct. As you proceed with 3D game development, there's plenty to learn about game design, physics, AI, and graphics optimization. Make sure to explore JMonkey Engine's documentation and engage with the community to enhance your learning. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos on Java programming, game development, and much more. Happy coding!